Farmers are the guardians of food production, providing the nutrition that the world needs to thrive off. By 2050, there will be 10 billion people on our planet, so food production becomes increasingly important. Dairy farmers face the challenge of food production while taking care of their cows and the planet. At Lely, we have supported them in this since 1948 through innovative solutions that ensure a sustainable, enjoyable and profitable future in farming. A future that continues to centre around the cow, as it all starts with her. When she's hungry, our solutions provide her with food automatically. Whether it's a freshly mixed batch of feed or fresh grass right from the farmer's pasture. When she wants to be milked, our milking robot is at her service. At her own pace, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Her milk can be processed and bottled at the farm, resulting in fresh milk in your glass within 48 hours from the dairy farm just around the corner. Her home is a clean barn, as our solutions take care of manure. Waste is captured and processed to reuse as fertilizer, reducing ammonia emission by 70%. All our solutions are integrated and deliver valuable data, brought together in an easy-to-use farm management platform. Data that helps farmers make the right decisions for optimum productivity and cow health. Working with our integrated solutions, dairy farmers can rely on the dedicated support of our global network of Lely centres. Together, we support dairy farmers to feed the world in a sustainable manner while caring for their cows and the planet, now and in the future.